It's a wee bit dark. We're sat in bed. Don't know if you can hear it. Seagulls.
Seagulls.
They're loud.
They always sound fake.
Huh?
They always sound fake.
It's going to send me to sleep, I think. We've had a very good night. Kira bought me a drinky drink and a mojito. So yeah, she went up to the bar and bought me a drinky drink. She had, what do you have, gin?
Gordon Sicilian lemon.
Gordon Sicilian lemon. So she had that, and yeah, it was nice. Saw the Festival of Rock. That was really good. My voice might be gone by tomorrow because I was singing for the whole lot. Everybody, but it was really good. They're loud. My word. They should be waking me up in the morning, not keeping me awake at night time. It could be fun. Bye-bye.